What's up, YouTube? Chris here again, and unfortunately I'm not here for a good thing. The clunking rattling noise came back. My first thought is it's hopefully going to be the sway bar end links, so I'm going to get this car jacked up, take the tire off, and make sure everything's tight. So I'm hoping that's the issue, and if that is the issue, I need to find a way to prevent that from getting loose again. So sit tight and let's see what it looks like. For those of you who do any type of maintenance on your vehicle, whether it be engine bay, removing a tire, or anything like that, I highly recommend buying your own set of jacks. So it doesn't have to be anything crazy. I bought mine for 60 bucks. It came with the jack, 2 jack stands, some chocks. So it will save you time in the long run, and yeah, it's a good investment. So so got the tire removed, so we're gonna go ahead and investigate, hopefully find something. So after taking a look at everything, it's all tight. There's the sway brace end link I was talking about. No gap, no noise when I tug on it. Everything is solid in here, tight as can be. And the only issue I could find is brakes. So is this normal? Like I said, I'm not a big car guru. I'm trying to get into it right now, but is this normal? I understand that when you put the lug nuts on, it shouldn't be happening, which I've already tested out. That noise goes away once I tighten it, but when I add the wheel onto it, should that still be happening? Alright, got the tire back on. I'm gonna lower the vehicle and take it for a spin. So we'll listen up and see if we hear anything. Just trying to catch noise for you guys and see if you can hear anything rattling. So looks like tightening of the wheel didn't work. I'm gonna do some research and kind of see what's going on, what I can do to fix it. This is no bueno. You also hear it when we're turning. So to catch you guys back up, I pulled the car in after the little test drive, which failed by the way, and I had the car on jacks, both sides, passenger and the driver's side. So what I did wrong, take it as a lesson learned for you guys, that way you don't have the same issues I did, was when I initially checked everything, I did it by hand. And I'll tell you, that was wrong. I should have done that with tools, because going back the second time, I found that the sway brace end link was actually loose. And the only way I was able to tell was putting up the tools to it. So like I said, by hand, not always gonna work, so sometimes you have to add the tool to it. So I went ahead and tightened a couple threads, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So there's the culprit I'm talking about. So like I said already, checked it once by hand, seemed good. Took it on the road, still heard the clunking noise, came back, took the wheel off, rechecked it with the tools, and that's when I was able to find that I was still able to tighten it down a couple threads. So far, I haven't heard the rattling, so there you have it. Ended up being that that little nut I had to tighten down on that end link. So there you have it. We found the issue, fixed the issue, and everything's all good now. So hopefully my Friday night can get back on track and do big things. So just want to say thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped somebody out. Hopefully there was lessons learned that you guys can take away. And yeah, if you guys do have ways to fix the nut issue, please drop that comment down below and continue to help other people who come across this video. So as always, just want to say thanks for watching and see you guys later.